Well, good afternoon everybody, welcome back to another upload of It's a Dyer Thing. I'm here with Sage and the XT and Bailey. So what did we do today? We decided to take the Ténéré 700 for its first time off-road trailing, and then Sage kind of tagged along with the XT, and then they kind of swapped out between Bailey and Sage. So Bailey finally got a good taste of an off-road experience with the XT250, first time this year. So we've been bugging her for quite some time. So she got to do some gravel roads and then a little bit of the boundary road down at Ragland Pits where we like to ride. So stay tuned to check this out, see how things turn out. Pretty cool. All right. I'm just going to come over here. We're just going to watch. All right, we're good to go. Just a little bit. A little bit. Woohoo! The adventures of Bailey and the XT. What? You don't want to try the XT, Bailey, in here? Like this, like this. Now the rest should be fine. The rest should be fine now. Here, I'll go on this side. It's not as... Yeah, you want to try it? Come on. And just always stay to the right side of the trail, okay? Just look at the at the terrain that's around you, and then just pick the better line, okay? It's not about... Yeah, you can get on. It's not a race. Oh my god, why do you sit so close? Why are you like humping me? Okay, oh f. Okay, you can... I am recording. Yes, I am. So just stay on the right side because you never know if there's traffic coming, right? So go, take your time. Yeah. So there we go. Well, straight. You're gonna go straight, but stay, go on the left side. Go on the left side of the mud.
Find the better path. That's gonna be the easiest way.
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. You're gonna drop. Get up, off, Sage, hurry up. You just had to go that way.
You said left.
Left around the puddle. Left around the puddle. I can't get in because of the mud. Okay, careful, out of the way.
Oh my god, what am I standing?
Mud?
Yeah, no, it's not good. Not good. Here, let me put the stand down.
Yeah. Just give it a sec.
Yeah, no, it's just left side around.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Do it the old-fashioned way.
It's not this way.
Yeah, left side of the...
Just around it. It's the easier
I didn't know if we were going up that way though, or if we were going.
No, you're always gonna stay straight, but just find the
No,
way
but
to go.
this way or that
Yeah.
way.
I know, it's just because there's that part of the trail there, right? So it kind of...
well, at least I'm not.
Hey, people pay good money to have mud baths. You just got it for free.
Oh, you got the worst part too.
Okay, hopefully,
Squishy.
I'll just wipe it with my phone.
just, yeah, take some leaves to make sure it's not poison ivy, because then that would just make it even worse.
Oh, wow. Is that your window sweater?
Yeah.
Your mother is going to kill you.
Oh,
Yes.
my poor flasher! Oh no!
Okay, well,
Again.
no, it's broken this time.
That's the second.
That's fine.
Okay. It's
Well,
brand new. It's brand new.
It's fine.
Brand new.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Can I get on?
Wait.
Yeah.
Okay. It's only one main road, Bailey. There's no turnoffs, okay? It's the main road, and all you got to do is pick left or right side to yeah, just go slowly. Go. But it's the main road. Yep. Oh, that's definitely gonna go. That's going into my fail one. Get it into second gear. Yeah, put along. Go on the right side. Okay, there's a bit of an opening, so it's going to be a little bit sandy. So just take your time and squeeze the tank to let the bike kind of work for you. The bike might go left, the bike might go right. Just use the handlebars and kind of balance the bike so it doesn't want to fall over, okay? Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Just like that. The XT works actually really nice in the sand, which just, yep. Again, you balance, you know, your body's constantly shifting side to side a little bit because, you know, you just like a rodeo, right? You just want to stay on that horse kind of thing, right? So pretty much the same thing. Yeah, and you don't need to worry about me, Bailey. I'll always make sure that there's enough room behind us, okay? So stay on to the right side. Yeah, good. Nice rock. Yeah, use your eyes to see what obstacles are around you. Nice job. Nice job. She was drifty.
I don't like it. I think you're counterbalancing.
Yep. That XT, it's got good tires though. It bites, eh? Oh. Okay. Put it in neutral. Okay, let's swap. I got it. You get off. Okay. Oh, it's a FJ. Can't you just get on? Okay, go. Okay, go. We're coming to the mud part anyways. Come. Swap back. Again, there be places where you might have to go in the mud. Just if you start to go, get on the side like this. Get on the side like this, okay? Don't try to hold the bike with your butt in the middle. If you have to be like that, you're gonna be like that, okay? Side saddle it. Cut to the right here. This way. Okay. Then either go on the trail or go on the road, whichever one you want. Go on the left, yeah, left side of that log. There's gonna be another big log coming up, so you're gonna stay to the left side of it, right? So, yeah, just take your time. Yeah, it bypasses most of the mud. We're gonna turn left here, so slow it down. Yeah. Okay. You want to go? Wait. Slow down. Get ready. Go. Keep going straight all the way through. You see this here? Go all the way through that way. Okay.
Yeah,
No.
up around.
Over.
On this farther side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just stay closest and nice and slow. Go.
I don't like it.
When you go through a place like that had water and mud on both sides, don't pick the middle, because the middle is kind of like a rounded portion of it, right? Your wheel, go left of the mud. Your wheel could have slipped out and then it would have made you fall there. So always pick the lower portion if you can, right? Don't try to ride sometimes in between them, especially if the you're better off just kind of going slow and then through it. Yeah, take your time. Now it's gonna, yeah, there you go. Good girl. Awesome. Good job. Bailey woke up this morning and said, "Oh, what do you want to do today?" "I want to go out today." So I'm like, "Okay, sure, let's go out." And she's like, "Oh, well, I want to go for a ride." I'm like, "Okay, then instead of going for a ride, why don't we all get together? And then this way you get to swap back and forth and just practice on the XT250." Well, she got to get some practice on the XT. Come here. Come. Look, come and see your favorite child. Come and see your. She bring you somewhere.
Linda! Did you fall?
Look at her.
Are you hurt? Mommy hurt a little.
Oh yeah, but that was a second fall. But her first fall, she like complete mud bath. Like people paid big bucks to go to like spas over across the world. She got it for free. We were scraping it off with branches. She was caked on with mud.